Hi all, it's Ziv from Elementor. Have you been following our monthly template kit releases? They consist of templates that make up a complete website, including a header, footer, a blog archive and single blog, a pop-up, and a 404 page, all created using Elementor's powerful theme builder. You also might have come across this awesome 404 page in the Portfolio site kit. You can simply add it via Elementor's theme builder. In your dashboard, under Templates, go to Theme Builder. Add New, and choose the single template type. Select 404 page for post type, and give it a name. Then, create the template. As you can see, you can find the 404 page in the library over here, ready to be inserted. But that would be too easy. So let's go ahead and create it from scratch. Add a section with one column. Then set the content width to full width and change the height to min height. Set it to 90 VH. Go to Style and give it a grey background color. Then under Border, set the type to solid and width to 50 pixels. Also, change the color to white. Cool. Now let's add an inner section. Give it a min height of 450. Duplicate the column so we have 3 in total. Add a heading widget in the first column and type 4. Align it to the middle and then, under Style, change the color to red. And under Typography, change its size. The slider goes up to 200, but you can manually enter any size you want. I'll go ahead and set it to 500. Click on the first column's handle to enter its settings. Then, under Style, set the background type to slideshow and click here to add images. Here we will select the images for the gallery. Select the girl with the red shirt, as well as 2 empty PNGs with the same dimensions. Soon you'll see why. Click Create a new gallery. Here we can change the order of the media files in the slideshow. Make sure the picture of the girl is set to the left because we want it to appear first. Then click Insert Gallery. Now for the slideshow settings. Set the duration to 0 and the transition to slide right. Also, set the transition duration to 1500. Great! Now all we need to do is duplicate what we just created and change it a bit. So duplicate the column and delete the empty one next to it. Here, in the second column, change the number to 0. And under Style, change the color to orange. We'll add the image of the girl with the orange shirt so it blends nicely, just like with the red number 4. So, in the column settings, under Style, let's change the slideshow pictures. Delete the image of the girl with the red shirt, click on Add to Gallery, and add the girl with the orange shirt. Then add it to the gallery. This time, drag the girl's image to the middle. This way, the animation is timed properly, together with the empty PNGs, to get the cool color change effect. Then, insert the gallery. For the last column, like before, duplicate and delete. Change the number to 4, and under Style, change its color to purple. In the column settings, under Style, enter the gallery, and delete the girl image. Click Add to Gallery and select the last image. Then, add it to the gallery. Great, the picture appears last. That's already the right order. Then, click Insert Gallery. Let's publish, then save and close. Now, check it out. Cool, the images change just like I want them to. Let's go back to the editor. Now, before we go on, let's arrange everything for mobile. Click on the number, and under Style, Typography, change the size to 145. Enter the column settings, and under Layout, set the column width to 33%. Let's do the same to the other columns. Change the number size and the column width. Okay, great. Now go to the intersection settings and set the minimum height to 135 pixels. In the tablet responsive mode, select the number, and this time change its size to 300 pixels. Like before, do the same in the other columns as well. Then, in the intersection settings, set the minimum height to 270 pixels. Okay, great. Now, let's go back to desktop mode and duplicate the intersection. As you can see, it appears under the first one. So, to make things clear, I'll open the navigator and name this intersection First Intersection. I'll do the same for the second intersection and call it Second Intersection. Now, I'll go ahead and delete the text widget with a number. Then, in the column settings, under Style, let's change the slideshow images. Like before, delete the girl image, hit Add to Gallery, and add the guy with the red pants. Then, Add to Gallery. The guy picture will appear last. Great. Click Insert Gallery. Then, change the transition to slide left. And set its transition duration to 2000, so the animation will be a little slower than the first intersection. Now, delete the other columns and duplicate the first column twice. In the second column settings, under Style, change the image to the orange guy and Add to Gallery. Then drag the image to the middle. Now for the last column. Like before, delete the image and add the blue one. Click Add to Gallery and drag it to be first. Okay, great. Now all that's left to do is add a negative top margin to the second intersection. So go to its settings and under Advanced, set the top margin to negative 450 pixels. See how it exactly appears on top of the first intersection? Cool. Let's do the same for tablet. I'll unlink the values and set the top margin to negative 270. For mobile, I'll do the same, but set the top margin to negative 135 instead. Okay, we're done. Now, let's see it in action. Awesome! Well, that's it. Now you know how to create an awesome 404-page template using Elementor's powerful theme builder. Have fun playing around, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials. Ciao for now!